Good morning, class. Today we're going to continue our work with inverse operations, but now we're going to use inequalities. So notice here that we're using the greater than symbol here. We're going to do the same thing. We look at this. What's the inverse of subtracting 3? That's right, adding 3. So we're going to add 3 to both sides. So then from there, you get x is greater than 4. Now, the question is, how do you show that on a number line? The answer can't actually equal 4, so you put an open circle on 4, and then where are all the values greater than 4 on the number line? That would be to the right. Sometimes I'll do this where you sort of mark it, darken in this line here, or I'll just do an arrow like that. Okay. And let's try another one down here. Let's try this one. X minus 6 is greater than or equal to 4. So then what we're going to do we wanted a new page there. So then we are going to add 6 to both sides, and x is going to be greater than or equal to 10. Now because you have greater than or equal to, what we want to do is we want to put a closed circle on 10, and then again, where are all the values greater than that? That's right. Okay. Next we're going to talk about when we multiply or divide an inequality. Let's take an example on this page. So in this one, we have x is divided by 5 is less than or equal to 2. To get x by itself, we want to multiply each side by, that's right, 5. And so that's going to give us x is less than or equal to 10. Now, this, what we're going to do, again, we have a closed circle because it's or equal to, and then we want all the values less than 10. So that's where we're going to have a closed circle and then all the numbers to the left. Let's try another example here. Let's look at this one. Okay, so we have some fractions here. Let's grab this and put this on another page. Okay, so again, we're multiplying by 3/5 to both sides. We want to get q by itself. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply both sides by 5/3. We simplify what we can, which would mean we just get q is less than or equal to, I'm going to try to simplify this, 6 and 3. 10. Closed circle on 10. And then we're going to go to the left because that's where the numbers are less than that. And then they'll slip in some decimal problems, or maybe so we've shown you a fraction problem already. In this one, what you want to do is you want to divide both sides by 8.2. So we divide both sides by 8.2, and then you do your normal division. That's going to give us 2 on the right hand side. X is greater than or equal to 2. So that would be a closed circle, and then we would go to the left, to the right, because that's greater than. I think it's a good idea when you're putting a number line to have at least one number to the left and to the right. labeled, so we kind of know where the graph is going. Have a great day.